Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to talk about the proper use of a high-speed polishing machine. Let's take a moment and talk about how to prepare your machine prior to use. As we mentioned earlier, we're going to use a wool buffing pad, and we're going to use the lock nut and the backing plate. So first what we're going to do is we're going to kind of pull the hairs back and expose the center of the pad a little better, and we're going to insert the lock nut into the pad, making sure that there's no hairs underneath the pad. Then put your backing plate in and kind of slide the nut in. Then we'll flip it back over, and while holding the nut down into the backing plate, we'll thread it on to the buffer. Now sometimes this particular nut is a hex nut, and it may not go inside the backing plate thoroughly, so you'll need to make sure that it's thoroughly, completely inside the backing plate. And once you have it in, then go ahead and tighten it down. And it's not necessary to tighten this much by hand. The actual centrifugal force of the buffer in operation will tighten the nut down.